Too much food on the plate and ingredients touching each other can be a real no-go for little ones. So let me show you how to plate and serve a curry that can be a family favorite so that it is also safe and fun for the little ones to explore. Reduce the amount of chili. You can always add the chili to your plate later. Grated carrots are typically liked by children, so keep the elements of this salad separate. Plate the grated carrots and sell the other ingredients as sprinkles. And now let me show you how to plate this. You can make your life easier by getting a divider plate, but a normal plate will do absolutely fine. Chicken, grated carrots, naan.